What's cracking, everybody? So they say summer's over here in the Philippines, pero sobrang mainit na yon dito in Cebu. But anyways, I'm in downtown Cebu right now, which I've been here many times throughout my vlogs. But today I'm going to show you the top 10 places to visit here in downtown Cebu. Right behind me here, Casa Gorordo Museum. So let's go check it out.
And the port of Cebu opened the city to international trade.
They usually put there a charcoal.
So this tour is super rad. It's only 120 peso. Comes with a free tour guide.
From the Spanish,
and you get to, they explain what everything is. Right now I'm watching a video about it, so it's cool.
Heritage treasures took centuries to perfect.
Will usher them upstairs. So commoners are not allowed to go prosperity. So it also symbolizes the wealth of the family, business, politics, and some social events. So this still played today, but I don't know how to play on. So their dining area is well decorated.
So this has been Casa Gorordo. It's a superb example of a restored, pristine Spanish colonial style house here in the Philippines. So highly recommended as a first place to start in your downtown Cebu walking tour. Okay, sige.
Rachel owner is Chinese, family name Yao. By different generations of life. So paintings, pictures, so you can take pictures so it's okay.
This is the Yap Ancestral House just down the street from the Casa Gorordo, and it's another prime example of a early colonial era house. This one's actually Chinese. I didn't know, but Yap is a Chinese name. So this one is a more traditional Chinese house here in the Philippines. Next is the Heritage Monument, which you can see right behind me. It's right by the Yap Ancestral House. It's super sunny right now, so it's all blown out, but I'll try to show you a good view of it. Alright, so that's the Heritage of Cebu Monument. It's free, it's just really good for a real quick look, but it has kind of a diorama 360 brief history of the Philippines. Alright, next up is the 1730 Jesuit house. I'm pretty excited, I've never been to this one before.
It's used by the Chinese for trading here in the Philippines. So this here is the Spanish settlement. So this is considered the intramuros of the Chinese people and the old metropolitan cathedral.
It's in Batangas?
Yeah.
Can you dive it, like scuba dive there?
I think so, because they told us that you can still find that there. everyday meal or what, suggest that what contributes to their diet. And then the potteries are of local and Southeast Asian.
Yeah, it's so nice.
You can see the difference in color. This house is the oldest plated house in the Philippines. So we call corbels are of jack and tail designs. As you can see the corbels there.
Do a video para sa vlog.
Oh, so difference is that this is not operatable. Old ice crusher and meat grinder right there.
Alright, so that was the Jesuit house of 1730. Sobrang astig. Salamat Angelina. Musta kuya? Salamat Angelina sa tour. So if you go check it out, ask for Angelina, she'll give you a good tour there. Off to the next spot. Alright, had to take a quick break from the tour to get some Mang Inasal and some knockoff Nike gear for my race this weekend. So if you want like some cheap electronics and knockoff brand items, check out 138 Mall here downtown. It's legit. Next stop is the Metropolitan Cathedral of Cebu. I just learned earlier today that the original one was destroyed during World War II. So this one's actually a recreation of the original structure. So let's go check it out. I think Mass is going on right now, so might not be able to film too much. Basilica del Santo Niño and Magellan's Cross, which are always super packed, super busy. There's so many people here, both tourists and locals alike, but still really cool to check out. And then also in this plaza out front of Magellan's Cross here, there's really good like fresh produce and farmers market vibes. So check that out too. So if you stop by La Fortuna Bakery, make sure to get some ube flavored hopia, super lami. Hi, kumusta? Okay ra. This is why you come here. Mangoes are only 70 per kilo dito. We are down to the final two spots to finish off the Cebu City downtown walking tour. First off is Plaza Independencia here. It's just a nice wide open green space, nice for tambay and chill.
here, welcome to Vivienda del Teniente. Vivienda del Teniente is the former office of the lieutenant.
So I'm at the park right out front of Fort San Pedro, and it's just like a nice chill place. Got some people singing, got some people dancing some K-pop, doing the boom boom. But that's it for me. So that's like 12 places to check out in an afternoon down here in downtown Cebu City. So sometimes parts of it can get a bad rap, but I wouldn't let that dissuade you from visiting. I encourage you all to come check it out. So let me know if that was helpful, if there's any other places in Cebu you'd like me to check out for you. If this is the first time checking out my vlog, like, subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.